Cooking Show, Cooking Show, Cooking.
Welcome back. It's been an exciting grow season here at JES. We're getting psyched for the big game, the Cabbage Bowl 2018. Behind us is the JES field where the big game takes place, the place where we grow all the great players of the JES Salad Bar organization.
That reminds me, what do you call a cabbage with a body? Head and shoulders above the rest.
I've got a question for you. Why do the grocery stores sell green and purple cabbage? 'Cause two heads are better than one.
Okay. How does a farmer mend his pants? With cabbage patches.
All right. Let's take this interview inside. There's so many parts of the cabbage team that makes these great taste tests happen. I hear we got an interview with the team doctor.
That's right. Let's send it over to Ella and Abby and Nurse Lindsay.
We're here in the health office with the team doctor learning how cabbage makes us so fit and healthy.
Nurse Lindsay, can you tell us more about the secret and why Team Cabbage is in the Cabbage Bowl this year?
Absolutely. Cabbage is doing so much great work. For starters, it's a huge source of vitamin C and fiber. It's helping us to fight diseases like cancer. It helps with our eyesight. And there's so many other things, too. Cabbage is the real MVP of the game this year. It's delicious and nutritious, and there are so many things you can do with it.
Thank you. Back to the main desk. Cabbage, you're the best! You're gonna win the taste test! Cabbage, you're
Boy, I can't wait to get out with the garden crew and plant some cabbage.
the garden. You wanna play some cabbage?
Oh! Flag on the play, no planting during the winter season. Repeat, planting scene, inside!
Phew, that's better. During the winter months, you can get your cabbage started by planting indoors.
Well, here at JS, we have grow stations that keeps our food fresh all year.
Cabbage grows from the early spring throughout the summer. Now is the best time to get started.
Start your cabbage seeds 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost.
Transplant outdoor 2 to 3 weeks before the last expected date. Plant 12 to 24 inches apart in rows, depending on the size of head desired.
That's great info, garden crew.
We've got an exclusive interview with the coach in this year's Cabbage Bowl. Chef Boss has been working hard on some secret recipes for the big taste test.
Who better to interview the chef than the star of the Cabbage Bowl?
So, Chef Boss, what's the plan? Tell us what you're gonna do.
Well, a team of experts has been working around the clock to put together a playbook that will be sure to satisfy all the spectators at the big taste test.
Tell me more. What will you do with me?
I thought I'd start by giving you a quick wash.
Oh, that sounds kind of nice.
Then I'm gonna slice you really thin. We will shave you into thin strips and then get a pan nice and hot. Once the pan is hot, we will start to get you cooking.
I'm not sure about this.
And mix you with some yummy brown rice to make a delicious stir fry. Ready to get started?
I think I'll start with a running play. I'm out of here.
Cabbage, you're the best! You're gonna win the taste test!
We're here ready for the big game. In Kitchen Stadium, it looks like Team Cabbage is working on a whole bunch of different plays and preparations so that Team Cabbage can have a variety of options.
Let's take a quick peek at some of the plays Team Cabbage is working on.
Okay, team, we gotta get these players ready for the big Cabbage Bowl. Let's work up a few ideas.
1, 2, 3, play! Luckily, there's so many options. We'll be ready.
Cabbage is great when it is fermented.
We are working up a Korean-style fermented cabbage called kimchi.
I've got an option on the fermented cabbage. This sauerkraut is great with sausages and hot dogs.
These stuffed cabbages are great play for cool winter days. We're busy mixing up a big batch of creamy coleslaw.
Nice work, everybody. Cabbage is an amazing vegetable and it goes great in stir fry, which is the big play for tomorrow. Cabbage is going all the way this year. High five. High five.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Thanks for the play-by-play, team. It looks like Cabbage is a big winner.
One. Thanks, everyone. I can't do it without you.
Okay, that's all the time you have today.
We'll see you tomorrow in the cafeteria for the Cabbage Bowl Taste Test 2018. When you eat cabbage, everyone's a winner.
Go Cabbage!
Cabbage, cabbage, you're the best. You're gonna win the taste test. Cabbage, cabbage, you're the one. You're the veggie that is fun. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Go cabbage! Okay. Yay! Woo!
And be like, hold the cabbage up. Here we go. Want to plant some cabbage?
Boy, I can't wait to get out there with the...
Keep going. Just
It's
keep
okay,
going.
it's
Keep going.
okay.
Keep going.
Talk?
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Unfold your arms. Talk like with enthusiasm. Welcome back to the... Go ahead.
We will shave you really thin. I did that wrong. I'm going to start over.
It's okay. Gosh, that is strong, huh? Hold on. It's just go cabbage. Ready? 3, 2, 1.